Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be making something very special today. That's right. Daniel doesn't know, but I told him we're gonna go to the park today because we were just gonna hang out and go see the Easter Bunny and see the trains, the choo-choo trains, right? But he doesn't know. We've got a toy at home. We've got a toy at home. Yeah. Are you ready? We're gonna go home and we're gonna check it out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you? I'm super excited, actually. Daniel, come here. Come here. Come here. Let's see. Daniel doesn't even know yet, but we gotta go get a big surprise right now. He's gonna be super excited, okay? All right, let's go get it right now. Let's go. Okay, you wanna help me? Come on, come on, let's go get it. What is it? What is it? What is this? Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, come on, let's get it. Come on, let's bring it inside. Come on, let's bring it inside. Go, go, go. What is it? Whoa, it's so big. Oh, what is it? All right, here we go. Woo! That's right, Daniel's got his very first 7-foot trampoline. Woo! All right, you excited? Yeah! High fives, high fives. Yeah! All right, one more. Oh yeah, good job! Are you pretty excited about this? Yeah? Oh boy, you're supposed to put it together now, bud. I need scissors. Let's put it down. All right, so first we need to open up the box, right? First we need to open up the box, right? Aha! There we go. Oh, all right. Here we go. Here we go, go on an adventure. Okay, so far so good. We've got the box opened up, and there's only like 1 million pieces inside, so this is only gonna take like 3 years. All right, what's inside? We got this. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Trampoline instructions. All right. All right. Uh-huh. A bunch of these things. And now we got everything out of the box. Step 2 complete. Aha! Aha! Be right back.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como Lomo, luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my. I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm a Niger up in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
We did it. You ready? Come here. Are you excited? Yeah. Mwah. What is it? What is it? What is it? We open it up. We open it up. We open it up. Go ahead. Go in. Go inside. Go inside. Oh, you know what this is for. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Jump. Yay! Ah. Hey. Hey, Baldwin. Yay! Yay! Jump. Hey, you. Dun. Okay. All right, here I go. Come on. Whoa! We're doing some bouncing. Whoa! Bouncing. Yeah. All right. My first trampoline. Yeah. Are you ready to do your first flip? Wow! Yay! First flip. Good job. Okay, so it didn't take too long to make it. Definitely had to have Daniel's help because it was a pain in the butt. I did cut my finger a little bit, but Daniel seems to like it a lot. So we're gonna keep playing for a little while longer. So we'll see you around. Yeah. Oh, bunk. Oh, bunk. Oh, bunk. Dang, you don't even know, whoa. Jumping up and down on the trampoline now. Do. Woo! Okay, there you go. There you go. You go? Jump. Oh no, it's a video. Ah, baby. Stop it off, mate. You're breaking my tummy. Daniel, you gotta stop beating me up. Where are they?
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Ready? Here we go.
Yeah.
Load that.